guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you are fine. New latest beautiful stylish handbags. Retro handbags take inspiration from vintage design and beautiful retro style handbags with a top handle add a vintage style clasp or buttons for an authentic look. Remember, you can personalize this design with your choice of color, yarns and embellishment to make them uniquely yours. There are plenty of beautiful wood stone pattern available online and in books to help you get started with this design. And create a trendy bucket bag with a interesting closure. You can experiment with different texture and color to make it unique. Get a classy tote bag with 3 handles using a simple beautiful stitch pattern. You can customize it with colorful wood texture and add beautiful pocket for fashionability. Here are a few handbags design ideas to inspire your creativity. If you have any specific question or need pattern or tips for different color and design handbags, feel free to ask for comment section. And create a system for organizing your handbags to keep it today and fashion. You can use pouches, mini organizer or divider, style, looks, trends and styles, and explore the latest trends in handbags, including style, colors and material, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe.